Hi, I'm Linda. Today I'm going to make a pencil case. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
To start, you'll need a square piece of fabric and a piece of lining the same size. I'm using a piece 25 centimeters square. It's important that all the edges are square, as this will affect the final shape of the bag. Place the face fabric on top of the lining so that are square all round. Then either pin or clip the two pieces together so they are level around the edges. Before the zip is added, we need to overlock the fabric edges. This gives the inside a neat finish and stops the edges from fraying. I'm lucky to have an industrial overlocker, but any overlocker will work just as well. If you don't have an overlocker, then simply tidy the edges as neatly as you can. Before I can sew in the zip, I need to change the foot on the machine to the zipper foot. Open the zip slightly, then place it face down on the fabric where you want the opening. Start by securing the zip at the end with a couple of back stitches. With the zip resting against the foot sew along a couple of inches, then stop. Reach underneath the fabric and slowly close the zipper so that it passes behind the foot. This allows the fabric to sit flat as you continue to sew along the rest of the zip. When you reach the end, add another couple of back stitches to secure the zip in place. Now, carefully fold the bag in half with the lining on the outside. Make sure the edges of the fabric are aligned and position the other side of the zip onto the other side of the face fabric. Add a couple of back stitches to secure the zip in place, then sew down the edge of the zip as before. Reach through to the zip and once again move it past the sewing machine foot. And continue machining to the end of the zip. Finally add another couple of back stitches to secure the zip firmly in place. Now carefully trim all the unwanted edges of the zip, being careful not to cut through your stitching. Before we continue, we need to remove the zipper foot from the sewing machine and replace it with our original sewing foot. Now fold the zip back on itself, squeeze the zip together and add a couple of back stitches before sewing down the edge to the first corner. Trim any loose cottons and tidy the edges, being careful not to cut through your stitches. Trim the corner to give the finished item a neater finish. Now repeat the process with the other edge. Place the two top edges together, ensuring they are level. Secure with a couple of back stitches, then sew down to the other corner. Tidy all the loose cottons, cut the corner off without cutting through your stitching, and make sure everything looks good. With the zipper fully open, reach into the bag and carefully turn through. Use your thumb and finger to push each corner fully out. Pay special attention to the fabric where the zip is, making sure it is fully turned through and flatten it fully. Finally, make sure the zipper works properly and doesn't catch. And there you have it, a finished pencil case made from start to finish.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, leave them in the comments.
And I hope you had fun making it with me.